This video is to demonstrate how to schedule delivery of medications through WinRx. To start, I'll click on the location button, and in location A, in this case, I'll set the delivery app field from N to Y to enable the delivery app. F10 to update the information. Next, I'll go to the profile of a patient to whom I want medication delivered. In the delivery route field, I'll type in a delivery route acronym. This can be specified by the user. It doesn't have to be anything specifically. In this case, I'll set it to RTA, then F10 to update the patient profile. With the delivery route specified, I can now create a new Rx for this patient, and the filled script will be scheduled for delivery to this patient. So let's create a script. I'll choose the drug methadose, fill the script, script is filled, so this is scheduled for delivery. Deliveries can also be scheduled by going into the Rx history of a patient. So if I look at the Rx history of the same patient, and I go to the previous prescription, which was filled with the delivery app off, I can schedule this prescription for delivery by clicking on the Add Cancel Delivery button. Enter route code RTA. I'll select the same route, save, and now this prescription is scheduled for delivery. The list of scheduled deliveries can be viewed through the WinRx delivery website. Also, for purposes of demonstration, I'll select a second patient and schedule a delivery of one of their medications too. Same route in this case, although different routes could be used. To see the medications that have been scheduled for delivery, a pharmacist can go to the website www.winrxdelivery.ca and log in using the login credentials provided to them upon purchasing the WinRx Delivery app package. This app package is available for $40 Canadian per month or $440 Canadian per year. After logging in to WinRx Delivery, the pharmacist will then be asked to sign in to WinRx itself using the username and password of the pharmacist responsible for scheduling the medication delivery. We're then brought to the WinRx Delivery main page. If we click on Routes, we then see Route RTA. If we click on RTA, we see the patients for whom medications have been scheduled for delivery. If I click on one of the patient names, I can see the medications that have been scheduled for delivery to them. The person doing the medication delivery also uses the WinRx Delivery website on any device with a mobile internet connection. When they log into the website, they should use the credentials provided to them by the pharmacy. They also have to log into WinRx using the pharmacist username and password. Clicking on Routes, and then Route RTA, if this is the route they're delivering. They would then click on Pick Up Route after they see the list of patients for route RTA. Are you sure you want to pick up this route? Yes. Now, before they get to a patient's address, they can click on the patient's name, and they can get directions to their address by clicking on the Directions button. When we click on the Directions button, we're taken to a map that shows directions from the address of the pharmacy to the address of the patient. In this case, the patient has a methadose prescription that needs to be witnessed, and it's colored in yellow. If we click on this prescription, we're brought to a new page with the prescription information, and if we scroll to the bottom of the page, there are locations for the patient and deliverer signatures. There's also a text box where if the patient does not sign, a reason for there being no signature can be selected. With the signatures, I'll click Sign. For this patient, there's also another prescription that needs to be delivered. I can click on Delivered to indicate that this other prescription has also been delivered. Confirming delivery will remove items from your dashboard. Press Yes to confirm delivery. Click Yes. And then for the second patient, assuming we've gone to their address and delivered the medication, we can click on Delivered. Once this delivery has been made, there are no more medications to be delivered. If we click on Routes, we see the message, No items for pickup. Back at the pharmacy, after the medications have been delivered, a pharmacist can look at the signatures associated with witness prescriptions in WinRx. To do this, they go to the patient profile, go to the patient's Rx history, click on the relevant prescription, look at the transaction history for the prescription, and click on Delivery Log. There we see the employee signature and patient signature associated with this delivered medication. Furthermore, there's a report available to all pharmacy supervisors showing a record of oat deliveries. Logging in as supervisor and going to Reports, clicking on oat deliveries, we'll type in route RTA, use today's date, and view the report. There we see the employee and patient signatures associated with the witnessed methadose delivery.